Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send blank or empty messages on Facebook Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it. So first of all, open your browser emptycharacter.com, scroll down and here you'll find an option called method 1. So tap on copy to clipboard and now open your messenger and open the conversation where you want to send a blank or empty message, and long press on the typing box and tap on paste and tap on send, and that's how you can send blank or empty messages. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.